How to watch movies on YouTube. So if you want to watch movies on YouTube, you can buy and rent movies on YouTube for free. So to do that, you can open up your YouTube application, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your YouTube, you can go with your library section, which is on the bottom right. So go with your profile. Under your profile, you will have library. Scroll down and here you will have an option of your movies. So you need to tap on your movies, which is right here. And here, as you can see that I don't have any purchases for now, but you can just simply go and search for a movie. Or you also have a browse option. You'll have browse on the left side and the purchased one on the right side. So you can just simply go with browse and then you can search for a movie. And after searching for it, you'll be able to buy the movie or rent the movie and you'll be able to watch it on TV. You can go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then tap on watch on TV and you'll be able to watch those movies on TV also. That's how you can watch movies on your YouTube, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.